Sabe esa cebolla? She left me. Welcome back here to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this different and a special video because you asked me to do it on my Instagram. So here we are today. I'm going to show you how I pack my bags for our wedding trip. We are going this weekend to our destination wedding. We are super excited. I cannot reveal the place we are going to get married because it's going to be something we want to let you know on the next videos. We are going to do that trip video really soon. It's going to be up here, so stay tuned. I love to take a lot of clothes out, and it doesn't matter if I'm gonna wear them or not, because I like first to decide how I'm gonna wear everything. So the first thing I love to do is to decide the clothes I'm gonna take. Depends on the weather. It's super important if it's gonna be cold or if it's gonna be super sunny. The first thing I love to do first are dresses. The dresses are so important for me, so I decide to take every single time 4 or 5 dresses. They are super comfortable. You can take them everywhere if you are going for a walk, or if you are going to the beach, or if you are going to take dinner. You're not gonna get super hot with them, depends on the fabric, but normally I love to wear dresses. They are my favorites. Now we're gonna move to the skirts, shorts, and tops. This is the hardest part for me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 shorts. Here are the shorts and the skirts I'm gonna take with me, and now I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna pick the tops. Maybe this is gonna be okay with these shirts over here, or it can go with this. I think this is gonna be better. What do you think? It's over here, look at that. So it's this one with this over here, and the pink one goes with the basic. Yes, this one with this red over here. Good. Now I'm gonna move again to dresses, but this time they are formal or fancy dresses. So I'm gonna see, sometimes I really like to take some of these clothes. You never know. If you are gonna go out for dinner, if you want to do something really special on your trip, it's really important if you take 1 or 2 pieces that are elegant, that you can wear at night. This is super fancy. I love it. I'm gonna take this one with me. This is a new dress that I am loving so much. I don't know how this is gonna fit. I think I'm gonna take this one too. This is really nice. I don't know how this is gonna work for me, this top part, because I never use this kind of styles. I feel like it's gonna give me an illusion that I'm shorter in my chest. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it a try. And the last but not least, this is one of my favorite dresses. It's so romantic and I love it, and this is a yes to take for me. This is so cute. Now I'm gonna move to the last part, and are the pants. The pants are not really important for me, if you go somewhere super sunny, because I cannot handle pants there. But I know it's really important. You never know what's gonna happen. If you want to take 1 piece or 2 pieces of pants, they're gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put the pants over here. White. This is a jumper and I love it. These are casual, normal. It has a lot of holes that my fiance doesn't like, but I love. So right now I'm ready to pack my bag over here. I have all my clothes here, so I'm gonna go for it. gonna move to a part that I think it's one of my favorites after the dresses, and those are the swimsuits. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these together, like match them. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so the last time I wear this yellow one, I didn't wear them, by the way, like seriously, it was too big. But now that I have my surgery, I think this is gonna be fine. So I'm gonna take this one. Take this new one. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we will see. Try to take a one-piece swimsuit. This is the one that you already maybe know from my Instagram, but this is the only one piece that I have right now. And I think this is the only one that is gonna fit me. And I think this green one is really cute. So I'm gonna take this one for sure. Okay, so now I will move to the shoes, but I'm not gonna show it to you. I'm just gonna tell you what I do. I'm gonna take one pair of formal shoes, one pair of sneakers, one pair of tennis shoes to run if I go to the gym, and the last but not least, sandals. Okay, my love, so that was it for today. That was the video. I hope you really like this video because it's something that I'm trying to change on this channel. I know some of you want to see more about my life, how I do things, and all that stuff that you love and you really like. So I'm gonna try to continue doing these kind of videos. I know you enjoy them so much. And just let me know, what do you think about this video? If you feel like I need to change something, to add something, your opinions are really important. Please let me know. It helps me with ideas, with opinions, suggestions, whatever. It's gonna be awesome for me. So please let me know, what do you think down here in the comment section. Don't forget to visit me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. You know that I am posting like a lot of things there every single week. I love you so much, and thank you for being here, guys. Ciao! Mwah.